Here in that image we have the half picture of that cow. So adding stroke around the image, we are using more filters. We will stylize and then trace quarter, decrease the level. We will see the results in that way so that it is we can use the history brush tool to apply on it. Now it's time to remove all the hiding factors and get back the real image by using the history brush tool. But this visual should be an artistic so that we can get that image. So that it is. Thank you for watching.